All right, guys, I'm gonna take you inside this theater and give you the rundown on all of the cool tech we have packed into this space. Let's go. As you can see, we have some very relaxed lounge seating in the front row, and we have some theater seating here in the rear row that is up on a riser. The customer initially did the theater installation in 2004 and just recently called Dreamedia for a little video upgrade. So let me give you a rundown of what we did. We actually put in a 152-inch Screen Innovations Slate 1.2 240 anamorphic widescreen format projector screen that is specifically designed for watching movies. We also have a JVC 3100. The JVC 3100 is a laser projector, and we have a Panamorph DCR lens bolted to the front of it to maximize all of our pixel use and increase brightness. So now let's check out the AV cabinet. The customer has a madVR Envy, which is doing all of our video scaling and processing for our HDR and our tone mapping. Whenever you're doing an anamorphic setup, a 240 setup, it's important you have the proper projector, the proper lens, as well as the scaler to make everything extremely easy to use. That way you don't have to go into the settings and manipulate your image dependent on the content that you're broadcasting. As an example, if you're watching sports, it's gonna output in 16:9. So if you had this screen without the madVR, your image would be bleeding onto the wall. Most importantly, like your stats, what's going on in the game. So you wanna make sure when you're buying an anamorphic setup, you get the lens as well as the madVR Envy. In addition to that, we have the Kaleidescape, the ultimate movie player, so that he is getting the best of the best director's cut movie quality on audio and video. This 7.2 system was installed in 2004, and we're out here today making sure that the video is dialed in perfect and discussing with the customer options for upgrading the audio in the future. All right, guys, that is a wrap on our walkthrough of this space. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you would like us to do something like this for you, keep in mind we are nationwide and we would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you know what you need, you can shop with us now officially at shopdreamedia.com or call and speak with a specialist. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. We'll catch you on the next one.